Hello, blessed people. You're welcome to Eagles Television, where we publish news on politics, celebrities, metro stories, and news around the world. If today is your first time of watching, just subscribe to the red button below and tap to the bell beside it to keep you updated. We have an interesting news for you today. Innoson versus GTBank. Innoson Motors gets court order against GTBank over debt. Temitope Adebayo. Innoson Nigeria Limited on Friday said it has obtained a right of FIFA from the Federal High Court in Awka, Anambra State, against Guaranty Trust Bank (GTB) to implement the judgment given by Nigerian courts over the lingering crisis between it and the bank. The car manufacturing company, in a statement on Friday, claimed that the court order allows it to take control of the lender. The statement, which was signed by its spokesperson, Colonel Osigwe, said a judgment given by the Federal High Court in Ibadan was upheld by the Supreme Court of Nigeria. A right of fere facies, or right of FIFA, is a document issued by the court of the purpose of effecting court judgment on a debtor's property. It is also the legal instrument by which the assets of a judgment debtor may be seized. Innoson and GTB have for a long been locked in legal tussles following disagreement over a business deal. On Friday, Innoson claimed its chairman, Innocent Chukwuma, has been mandated to take over GTB after the Supreme Court dismissed GTB's appeal against the judgment of the appeal court in Ibadan. The chairman of Innoson Group, Chief Dr. Innocent Chukwuma, has through a right of FIFA taken over Guaranty Trust Bank PLC for and on behalf of Innoson Nigeria Limited as a result of the bank's indebtedness to Innoson Nigeria Limited, the statement said. In a landmark decision on February 27, 2019, the Supreme Court of Nigeria dismissed GTB's appeal SC.694/2014 against the judgment of Court of Appeal, Ibadan Division. The Court of Appeal, Ibadan Division, had in its decision of 6 February 2014 dismissed GTB's appeal against the Federal High Court, Ibadan Division. Thus, the Court of Appeal affirmed the judgment of the Federal High Court, Ibadan Division, which ordered GTB by way of garnishi order absolute to pay 2.4 billion to Innoson with a 22% interest per annum on the judgment sum until the final liquidation of the judgment debt. Rather than obey the judgment of the Court of Appeal, GTB approached the Supreme Court to challenge the Court of Appeal's decision. The auto firm said. The company in its statement said a ruling delivered by Supreme Court Justice Olabode Rhodes Vivo dismissed GTB's appeal and thus affirmed the concurrent judgment of both the Court of Appeal and the Federal High Court, Ibadan Division. The ruling, it said, ordered GTB to pay 2.4 billion to Innoson with a 22% interest per annum on the judgment until the final liquidation of the judgment. The judgment debt of 2.4 billion has an accrued interest as at today of about 6,717,909,849.96 kobo, which results to about 8.8 billion, the statement said. Based on the Supreme Court's decision of 24th February 2019, the counsel to Innoson, Prof. McCarthy Mbaduwa ESQ, had approached the Federal High Court, Awka Division, for leave to enforce the judgment, having obtained certificates of judgment from the Ibadan Division of the Federal High Court. Mr. Chukwuma, the founder of Innoson Motors, dragged GTBank to court in 2011, alleging arbitrary charges leveled against him and a string of bank accounts he held at the bank. But GTBank later countersued, saying it was Mr. Chukwuma who allegedly falsified bank and shipping documents to obtain tax waivers from the Nigerian government. The bank subsequently referred the matter to the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC). The Anti-Graft Office filed criminal charges against Mr. Chukwuma at a Lagos court. Last month, he was declared wanted for failing to appear for arraignment in the matter, which is still proceeding separately from the 14th billion arbitrary charges lawsuit currently at appellate levels. God help us. Wow. Very, very interesting. It's not easy. If you have comments, would like to get your comment. God help us is not easy, this owing issue, but I believe God will help us. God bless you for watching. We are expecting your comments. Thank you.